Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, it's a sort of healthy recipe. We're gonna be doing gratinated pork with salad. So basically, you would need an oven toaster, sinasabi ko in advance, or an oven if you have at home kasi we want to melt the cheese. Wala tayong lulutuin sa pan actually. It's all just going to be the oven toaster. So it's gratinated pork salad. So, ginagawa na ni Ate Lina yung pag-gratinate ng cheese. So, this one is actually pork tenderloin, no? So, ifa-flatten mo lang. Dito, kailangan flat na flat because we will not be cooking it in the pan, but we are cooking it using the oven toaster. So, it's plated down. So, I use pork tenderloin para there's very little fat, no? So parang what you will do is you're covering the plate. Yon, that's what you're doing. Okay, so we line it that way. Hold on. So this one, basically, you just put pepper. I'm just gonna put some salt. Feeling healthy talaga, Himalayan salt. There. Then, I'm just gonna put some dried herbs kasi nga, we don't have fresh herbs. So, konti lang. Tapos, ito lalagay mo sa oven. So, parang, kumbaga, gumagawa ka ng gratinated carpaccio. Wala lang. Invento lang to. Para lang magkaiba naman yung salad. Cheese. Hindi to social na cheese. Eden cheese lang ito. Yun. Eden cheese lang siya. So, yung heat ng cheese will actually cook the pork. Lagay mo ito sa oven, Ate Lina. Yes. So, there. So, gagawin na natin yung salad. I will continue to make this pokpok. Okay, so this is how we want it to look like. And now, we need to make the salad dressing. So ngayon, ito ang ating onions. Tapos, okay, so we put some onions, mustard, mayonnaise, just a bit of sugar. There. Just gonna put the canola oil on standby. Okay. And then, this, I just need to put some vinegar, white wine vinegar. Hand mixer or hand blender or blender. Ayan, medyo smooth na siya. Kanina, di ba, parang ang lumalaban, nagsistruggle. Then, I'm gonna put the oil. Ayan. How do I know if it's ready? When you're holding the hand mixer, mag-feel mo pag medyo heavy na. At saka medyo nagtitikin na. So, right now, you can still add a little bit. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo. Nag-iiba yung tono, di ba? Ayan. Ayan, o. Halos wala ng hole or wala ng butas sa kikita. It means pwede na yan. Yan. Tawag natin emulsifying it, diba? So, I'm just gonna have it. So, I cannot sell enough how handy this handheld mixer is. Okay, there you go. So, now, look at this now. Ganda, diba? So what we will do is, I'm just gonna mix it up. So, very crispy siya, no? Yung salad. This is actually romaine. Kasi, yan. There. Tapos, beer nuts, chopper. And then I'm just gonna add some little bit of for color. Tapos, ito, request sa akin na gamitin ko daw yung avocados ng kanyang farm. So, kung gusto nyo ng masarap na avocado, Artisan Emporium kay Chef Mira. So, we're using her avocado. It's actually very good. So, masarap siya. Even the mangoes came from her. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mango. There. Then, a little bit of nuts. There you go. Medyo mainit pa. This is our gratinated pork salad. And now, to our taste tester. To kay Kaping, oo.
Masarap yung mango and the avocado. Actually, masarap na. Pwede mo yung pork.
And here you go. Yan po ang ating pork gratinated salad. So, I hope maulit ninyo sa house niyo. Halos wala tayong ginawa sa stove, pero puro oven toaster lang. So, I hope you enjoy it. Something healthy, something meaty. Here you go. Hot and cold pork gratinated salad. Thank you!